My name is Manuel Belanche. I am the research and development responsible of AIDIMME. AIDIMME is a technological institute that works mainly in the metal processing sector and wood, furniture and packaging sectors.
AIDIMME is focused on research, development and innovation activities related to the industrial sectors in which we operate. There is a close relationship between our activity and the needs of companies and the market where they do business.
AIDIMME, as a research institution in the metal and furniture domain, is leading the lot size 1 furniture pilot jointly with the furniture manufacturing La Grama. AIDIMME is helping La Grama in defining all the specifications and all the different e-factory tools according to La Grama's expectation. In some way, AIDIMME will disseminate all the results to all associated members and clients, having La Grama as a showcase to demonstrate that the factory tools and services could bring a lot of benefit to them.
AIDIMME wants eFactory to be a tool for its associated members to establish new commercial and business models and relationships along the supply chain and value chain. eFactory will also serve as a way to exploit previous developments and put them at the disposal of not only their associated members and customers, but of other manufacturing companies all over Europe.
AIDIMME can offer opportunities to eFactory for specific transfer and dissemination between industrial firms. AIDIMME organizes regularly industrial boards and events addressed to promote innovation in industry. Main industrial events are our annual conference and our strategies working group, which reach up to 200 firms. Besides, our specialization in business and market intelligence allow us to focus on real necessities and at industrial level, so we can adjust the project value to the firms.
With the factory project, we have several advanced tools which can solve specific problems of our associated companies, such as manufacturing optimization, predictive maintenance, delivery monitoring, and so on. To have all these tools in one single use case, in one single and coordinated scenario, enable to test the results of Industry 4.0 technologies. Therefore, it will be easier to implement these kind of solutions in future companies.